Yeah, you know what? I think I need to feed them now.
Yeah, I don't know where yeah, they're back in the corner, but she's so sweet.
Yeah, she's very sweet.
Oh, I can,
Oh, boy. Charlotte, no. That's not fair. That's not fair. Charlotte's got... Charlotte, leave. No, leave alone.
That's awesome. Sky, that's awesome. It's like comforter.
No, Charlotte's good. Charlotte's really excited because she usually doesn't get that close to the chickens.
Hey, what is this? This is Larissa.
No, not with the camera. You're going to ruin it.
The one that pooped on me isn't under there, and she's not in there either.
Oh, she must be. She's probably in the pen. I see her. I think she's in the pen. She's probably in the... No, not with this. You don't. Not with this, you don't. No. Oh, Callie, thank you. I'm not a snow person. Oh, I'm not a snow person, little girl. You know I don't like the snow. It's pretty, but I hate getting wet and cold. No! I'm going to go inside then.
No, don't go inside then.
No, you guys don't care. You guys don't want me out here. Ooh, video. Taking video. Where's Bella? Oh.
Mom, get some comfort. Yeah, it's really
I wouldn't eat the snow back here, guys. You know, Charlotte does go to the bathroom.
Here I go. Okay. You have to catch the chicken, okay? Okay, catch her. Now, go down there. Ready? And watch this.
Ah, poor chicken. Wow, I didn't even know she could fly like that. Look at that. She's got some purple from being boo-booed. What? I'm watching you. Oh, I didn't. Oh, somebody help her, Callie. Help her. Don't leave her in the middle of the snow. I know. I just want to watch Callie and make sure she gets her under the deck. I'm going to. Make sure. Help her, Callie. Come on. Okay, good. What are you doing there, Bella? Playing in the snow? Yeah, it's really getting cold out here. I think it's going to stop soon. Where'd Larissa go? Is she inside the coop? Oh, boy. There's the seesaw. There's the sandbox. There's little baby Bella. Oh, I don't know if that swing's going to work so well. There's so much snow that's like hitting the ground. That's crazy. It's so beautiful. But I hate it. Huh. Where is she? Where's you said?
I was gonna say she's not.
Yeah, she's not in there either. That's weird.
Only 2 chickens are in there. See?
Oh, that's weird. I don't know where she went. Huh. Don't know. Maybe she's underneath the boat or something, and then she could be out along the front. Hey guys. What's this going on? Okay. She'll come out there.
Is that one stubborn?
Which one? The little one? The little one, yeah. Oh, the big one?
The little one.
Yeah, she is. Go ahead, now try to get her out. Nope. Yep, she's being stubborn. I'll get her for you. Okay. I got her. Here's a little Bubble. A little bantam chicken. What's her name? Got her? Bubble? Yeah. Oh, gosh. Okay, got her? Got her?
Yep.
Got her wings right there. Okay.
Bubble. I've never met something like you named Bubble. Eyes looking at me.
Take a seat? No, thank you. I'm not wearing waterproof pants.
You know, we went out to Saturday and you and said, so we're getting ready to whistle. Which wedding dress would you like? And I took pictures on my phone. You have to see. She's like, whatever. Want to hold her? Yeah, let's get. Hello,
Charlotte, come here, Charlotte. Ah! Look at Charlotte, so cute.
Come on, are you getting this?
Yep, I got it.
Mommy.
Okay, one sec.
Mommy.
Oh boy, you have snow on your face. Just wipe it off.
I can't. Are you getting this?
Yep, I got it. Oh, come on, Bella.
You try on another one.
Stop, don't throw it on her.
Bella, stop.
I like to do this.
Why'd you do that?
I should do this in the summertime when it's hot.
Yeah, right? Oh, gosh, right back
Stop,
inside.
Charlotte. Stop, there.
I got peck. Nice. Camera. I don't want it to break.
No, I'm here.
Oh, do me a favor, guys. You're getting snow inside here. Oh, good. Guys, please. I need to have to live in here, you know?
She's the only black left?
Yeah, she is. I don't know where the Polish. Both Polish are gone.
She's one of my favorites.
I don't think they're in there. In the,
Who?
excuse the language.
Here, let me hold. She wants her boyfriend back.
Who's her boyfriend?
The rooster.
Will you listen to anything I
Put that down, Bella!
Stop!
I have you on video.
Oh, he kisses me.
And I got the butt.
Ooh.
Please?
Bella, no.
Sorry. Can I hold her? Don't.
Stop, Bella, they're going to my face.
Bella, stop it. Don't throw snow in Larissa's face. No good.
Okay, go. Move your arm up and down.
She's going to fly back in the coop.
Up and down, fast.
Why?
Go fast.
She's going to fly back in the coop.
And she won't. She'll fly somewhere. Do it. Just do it. Faster.
I think Larissa's getting a little tired.
Flap your wings! Flap!
Oh, come on, guys. She's afraid of the snow.
She likes you. You can win Okay.
I don't want her to poop on your jacket.
Remember, did you see that white skinny one that you just were holding before?
Yeah.
She was a baby. She scratched me right into the eye because she was on my head. Yeah.
She's cute.
Oh, help her get under the deck. No, Charlotte.
It's okay, girl. It's okay, I have you.
She's scared.
And I have you.
Oh! Charlotte, no, Charlotte.
Stay away from her. Ready to go?
Lift her up and down, up and down, up and down. She'll eventually just fly where she needs to.
Where are we? Where your boyfriend is, right? The one I like and I want to hold. I want to hold her boyfriend.
Oh, there she goes. And Charlotte's going after him, too. All right, Charlotte. Yeah, I got pecked. Charlotte! Ah!